Good morning, students. Welcome to an online classes of applied mechanics. First of all, how are you, students? I hope you all are fine at your home. Now, start some numerical based on Lamy theorems and resolution of forces. The first numerical is weight of the each ball is 150 Newton. Here there are the two balls. First ball with the center of O1 and second ball with the center of O2 have the same weight of 150 kilonewton, and the radius of the ball is 0.5 meter, and he put on a rectangular box. The length of the box is 1.5 meter, and find the reaction at contact point. That means reaction at A point, reaction at B point, reaction at C point, and reaction at D point. There are the four reactions. First of all, we join O1 to O2. This is 0.5 and it is also 0.5. Then O1 O2 equal to 0.5 plus 0.5 equal to 1 meter. Now make a rectangle in which this distance is equal to the radius and this distance is equal to the radius, and this point is M. So in triangle O1 M O2, the distance between O1 and M total is 1.5 minus 0.5 and minus 0.5. 1.5 minus 0.5 plus 0.5, it is equal to 0.5 meter. That means it is 0.5. It also 0.5 and it also 0.5. 0.5, 0.5, 0.5 is equal to 1.5. Now this angle is theta. In this triangle, base is also known 0.5 meter and hypotenuse is known 1 meter. So apply cos theta equal to base upon hypotenuse is equal to 0.5 upon 1.0, and it is equal to 1 upon 2. Then cos theta equal to 1 upon 2, and it is equal to cos 60 degree. Here theta equal to 60 degree. Theta equal to 60 degree. Now find the reaction at second pole. The downward force W2 equal to 150 Newton in downward direction. RC, reaction at C point, RC. The angle between these forces is 90 degree. And the third reaction is reaction of first body on the second body, means RD. Reaction at D point. Now this angle is 60 degree, so whole angle equal to 150 degree. 90 plus 150 is equal to 240, and remaining angle is equal to 120 degree. Here there are the three forces RC, W2 and RD. So we can apply Lamy's theorem. By Lamy's theorem, RC upon the angle is 150. RC upon sine 150 equal to W2 upon sine 120 equal to RD upon sine 9. So here RC equal to sine 150. Sine 150, it is equal to equal to sine 150 equal to the value of W2 equal to 150 upon sine 120 and RD upon sine 90. Now find the value of the RC is equal to 150 sine 150 upon sine 120. Here put the value, then 150 into sine 150, the value of the sine 150, it is equal to 1 upon 2 and sine 120 under root 3 by 2. It is cancel out and its value is 150 upon root 3. Now divide and multiply by the root 3. Root 3 into root 3, 3 and 3 is and 150 is cancel out, 3 is 50 times. So value equal to 50 root 3 Newton. It is RC. Reaction at C point. RD equal to 150 into sine 90 upon sine 120. It is equal to 150 into 1 upon under root 3 by 2. It is equal to 300 upon 3. Now multiply and divide by the root 3 and its value is 100 under root 3 Newton. So reaction at D point and reaction at C point is final. Take the first body. In first body, the weight W1 in downward direction, it is equal to 150 Newton. RA means reaction at A point in horizontal axis, reaction at B in vertical upward direction, and it is RD and its angle is 60 degree. Now break the component of RD in vertical direction and in horizontal direction. Here RD cos 60 and here RD sin 60. Now apply the condition of equilibrium. Then summation fx equal to 0 means RA equal to RD cos 60. R equal to RD cos 60. Here cos 60 is equal to 1 upon 2 and value of RD equal to 100 under root 3 and cos 60 equal to 1 by 2. Now here value equal to 50 under root 3 Newton and summation Fy equal to 0. That means upward force is equal to downward force. Here upward force equal to Rb and downward force is Rd sin 60 plus 150. Now put the value of the Rd equal to 100 under root 3 and sin 60 equal to under root 3 by 2 plus 150. Root 3 into root 3 is 3 and 100 is cancelled out by 2 equal to 50 times. 50 into 3 equal to 150 plus 150 equal to 300 Newton. So reaction at A point equal to 50 under root 3 Newton. Reaction at B point equal to 300 Newton. Reaction at C point equal to 50 under root 3 Newton. And reaction at D point equal to 100 under root 3 Newton. There are the 4 reactions and we can find the 4 reactions.